So here we are in Frankfurt in the rain at M539 Restorations, where we hear they've got a new toy in the workshop.
Indeed, the mighty Aquablast 1215.
Let's go and have a look.
So my new toy, the Aquablast 1215, which I'm super stoked to have. And now I'm hoping Mark can tell me a bit more about the machine, how it's built, how long it takes to build, and so on.
Yeah, so at the moment it's about a 3-month lead time to get one of the Aquablasts built. This is a 1215, so it's the medium-sized machine in the range, and they all get built in our factory in the northeast of England. As you can see,
Hand built?
Yep, durable stainless steel.
Awesome.
Powder coated as well, again for durability. Thank you very much. And as you can see on the inside here, rubber line too, which is good again for durability and soundproofing as well.
Yeah, I actually didn't notice that before, but lovely touch. Yeah.
Brilliant. And they look really nice as well, as you can see with the
Yeah.
light box on the front.
I was about to say, those small lovely details, I love that.
Yeah.
The blue and white looks beautiful.
Definitely. Certainly does. Yeah.
Awesome. And then we have this thing on the back that you can also tell us about more.
Yep. So at the back of the machine you've got your sedimentation tank, which is part of the closed loop system. Basically the water that you're cleaning all of your dirty parts with kind of gets recycled by this system here. There's a weir system inside which collects all the sediments after the water's gone through this filter paper on the top here. The side there's a 150 micron filter, and the water then goes back into the machine through the hose for rinsing parts down, and the windscreen wiper system, so you get all the clean water back in the system, so you're not needing to have the machine connected to drainage or your mains water.
That's brilliant, because I don't have any of that here, especially drainage and stuff, so to have it like this, it's just perfect setup.
It's a lot more flexible.
Yeah, and this is easy to replace. When the filter gets dirty, just cut it out, pull a new one out, you're good to go. And then every few weeks or so,
just give the buckets inside a clean, get that sediment out, and you're good to go again. Yeah.
Really simple to service and use.